Every company is moving towards digitalization and they need an expert who knows advanced Excel, VBA Macro and Power BI. Do you want to eliminate manual and repetitive work from processes through automation? Do you want to save 1,000+ hours and improve the productivity of your company? Do you want to finish huge tasks with a click of a button? Do you want to create a dynamic dashboard for better decision making? The solution for all these questions is simple. Please do take up our online courses, and we have Microsoft Excel Basic to Advanced Pro, VBA Macro with automation, Power BI with data analytics. Also, we have Microsoft Bundle Pack, which includes all Microsoft Excel, VBA Macro and Power BI courses for an unbelievable price. We also conduct Excel, VBA Macro and Power BI online training for corporates for an affordable price. All our courses are lifetime free, one-time payment and come at affordable price. It includes 250+ modules and every module has practice material. Benefits you get post this course: it will create confidence in your job, get more rewards and recognition and increase your salary. And mainly it will generate more visibility in your company, and it certainly helps you achieve your career goals. Why still waiting? Please enroll and get placed easily in any company. Also, please share with your friends and colleagues who want to grow in their career. Digital Decode. Phone +91 93840 11665. Email learn@digitaldecode.com. Website www.digitaldecode.com.